Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 AMG GTC Roadster. This one is a Diseño Selenite Gray Magno. Underneath the hood is a V8 bi-turbo pushing out 550 horsepower. This one does come with the night package with black accents on the trim. 20-inch tires in the rear, 19 in the front. AMG 5-spoke. AMG red calipers, V8 bi-turbo badging on the side, a red pepper black exclusive Napa leather interior, retractable rear wing, AMG GTC badging, clean set of floor mats, black soft top, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, AMG illuminated door sills, AMG performance steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, dynamic selects on the performance steering wheel. We've got Comfort, Sports, Sports Plus, and Race. Also Comfort and Individual. Navigation, rear view backup camera, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, USB ports, ventilated neck scarves, touchpad for the infotainment center, our different functions for our driver settings, retractable wing, exhaust. This AMG has 2,662 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 AMG GTC Roadster, visit us at feldmannimports.com.